Today we're doing an unboxing of the Cloth and Paper Stationery and Pen subscription box. Now, Cloth and Paper was advertised as a very high-end, minimalistic, but simplistic style, so I'm excited to see what they put in what they call one of their luxury boxes. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if that sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and on Saturdays I now do unboxings like today. So today we are unboxing Cloth and Paper's subscription box. Now this is the combo stationery and pen box, and if you were to purchase this individually, it would be $38 for the stationery box or $18 for the pen box, but together it's only $48, so it made a lot of sense just to purchase it this way. And then shipping, I believe, was $6, so I thought it was a good deal, but we'll see what we get inside. Now, Stationery, Cloth and Paper actually creates their own planners and stationery and pens and clips and lots of cute little accessories, and they're pretty much black, white, and gold. Now this box came within a couple days after I heard that it was shipping out, and when I ordered it, it took maybe a week to go out, so I'm not sure what their shipping times are, if they're mid-month or later. It didn't say on their website, but it came just in this box like as is. There was no extra packaging on top of it, and it just had a tape over here, which I took off. So let's see what's inside. All right, so this is already pretty. There is luxury and simplicity. I don't know if that's their tagline, but I really like it. So it has some tissue paper. So we're just gonna go ahead and break it, even though it's painful because it's so pretty. So inside here we have like a box within a box, which is very exciting. I love that. And we have a little green card that says, well, hello there. We've styled this month's box on our blog. Check out why we chose these items and read all the specs and blah, blah, blah. You could win a $100 subscription. So they have their information over there. And I guess let's get into this box, right? Like, it makes me want to open it because it's another box. Well, hello there. Oh, I get it. So this must be the pen subscription box that I did not purchase separately, that had you purchased this would have been $18. So another hello there. It's the same thing. Penspiration test sheet. Nice. That's always helpful. And let's see. So we have the core. I don't even know. I know that's kanji. That's it. So let's see what this pen is. And we will actually just test it out here on the box. Oh no! Is this broken? I can't tell if this is broken or if it's supposed to be like this. Body for the Zig letter pen. So the Zig letter pen, here we go. So it comes with a refill. That's interesting. So you must be able to buy different bodies. I don't even know how to open this. Okay. Here we go. Looks like I can take this off. And I've never actually filled my own pen, so we'll see how this works. Oh, I see. It just screws in. And then I put this on the top. Oh, I get it. That's cute. And then I guess when I'm done, I put this here. But I feel like there's still a piece missing, but maybe that's just how it looks. All right, so let's see what this looks like. Okay, so just a regular pen. It's like a markery pen. And then the second one is the roller pen. And just like it says, it's a roller pen. It's a light blue. And then we have Le Pen for drawing. So I kind of like that. And then the next one we have, it looks like just a regular pen. There's actually no label. Here we go. And this is a ballpoint pen. And this next one, not even sure how to open this. The Leica Monami pen. Oh, it's a fountain pen. You know, this is like, all right, so that's the pen box. So let's go back to the stationery part, and remember the stationery part would have been $38 had we purchased this by itself. So habit tracker, these are super cute. These are, I don't know if these are Post-its or just little pages. So let's open that up. And so these are Post-its, so they stick. So that's perfect. 1 through 8. So you have 8 habits that you can track for the week. It's a little small, but that's perfect if you have a small planner. We have some clips here. These are very cute. They're black. We have stickers. Everybody loves stickers. These are gold stickers. I don't know if you can see these. They say event, meeting, BRB. I don't even know what BRB is. Appointment, to do, travel, OOTO. And over here you have a little mail icon, Instagram, money, and a box, and airplanes for travel. Same thing, you get 2 packs. And then come see, come saw. What are these? Oh, these are postcards. So that's kind of cute. And let's check. So all the postcards are the same. Ooh, that's kind of nice. These postcards, I know you guys can't feel it. These postcards are actually really like shiny, like magazine-y. I don't even know if you could write on them. You would need a Sharpie pen to write on these because they are so, let's see. They're very smooth. Okay, so you can write on them with the Sharpie pen. All right, next we have J'adore. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's an envelope. Nice. So we have, oh, it's 1 card in 1 envelope. So, J'adore, like I adore you. Oh, that's cute. So this is like a vellum cover on the top. And then inside, oh wait, I thought it was a card. So that's a vellum cover, and then you get a card inside. That's kind of cool. I've actually never seen that. So this one must be exactly the same. Merci. Because you know, when you say thank you in French, it just sounds better. These are super cute. I suspect it's the same thing. Yes, it is a vellum cover with a card in the center. And on the back it has their branding. And then you have this nice black envelope, which would be perfect for using white calligraphy ink. And then you have to do, so you have a notepad. So let's check that out. Nice. So these are grids. Oh, so this is a cover actually. And then inside of here you get these to-do pages. Oh wait, I lied. So these are all really thick cardstock. So one of these is the same thing as one of these. So these are all really thick cardstocks of to-do lists. The back is very smooth. So it might be a little hard to write on if you have a marker, I'm thinking. Let's just test it out. To do film video. There we go. All right, last thing it looks like that we have in the box is a daily planner. These are super cute. So this will be interesting to see if these are thick like the other ones. And they are. So these are all really thick cards. So if you're looking for like thin paper, I don't know if you can see that, I would say this cardstock is probably 80 pounds, maybe 100 pounds. So it's pretty big. I don't know, it'd be interesting to see if they would tell us. But it has daily planner. You put the date, circle what day of the week it is, your to-do, quote of the day, and notes. So I think the point of having a thicker one is maybe it just seems a little more important. It's definitely much sturdier. So that was the cloth and paper box. Was it worth $48? I'm not sure because you can't really pick your things out of there, but I suspect the items on their page definitely were probably more than what was in the box. So definite win. I really like the simplistic design. You guys know I'm always saying this. I think simple is better. It looks a little more high-end luxury, even though all the colors that people sometimes put in things make it seem like they're not. So my favorite thing out of all of these were the envelopes, this vellum sort of overlay that is ingenious. I love that. And I love these black envelopes. So let's pull one out. So I love these black envelopes. I can't wait to do some calligraphy and send these out to someone. All right, let me know in the comments below what you thought of the box and if you have one and if you thought it was worth it. All right, I will see you guys next week. Bye.